Hello, all. Let me welcome to this webinar on Business Booster. This session will be for all the entrepreneurs who want to take their business to next level. And for me, next level is 10x, 10 times of what business you are doing today. I'm really excited to see dynamic business personalities here. And I assure you one thing today, you are going to get a feeling of transformation. You are going to take away lot many ideas how to improve your business. And my only aim is to give you what is expected or give you more than what is expected from me. We are going to learn about entrepreneur. What is a businessman traits and how we build those traits. We will be going through the understanding about what are the traits which a businessman has and how you can develop those traits. Second will be about the values, about the principles which makes we need to understand that which stage our business is into and where we have to take it from there. And the most important area which we will be discussing today, and you will be learning this, and which will add value to you personally, is how to grow your business to next level. And next level for me is to grow your business 10 times. And there are basically 8 principles, 8 concepts which you need to understand, which you need to know, which you need to be aware of to make your business successful. I have been doing webinars for long, and I have got refined all my courses upon a time, depending upon the questions which you put to me. And definitely that will help me also to improve my presentation so that I can give the maximum value. I always believe in giving more than what is expected out of me. I have touched more than hundreds of businessmen personally. I've coached more than 1,000 people in the career of my 8 years of coaching. Prior to that, I was into corporate, and my basic core expertise is how to bring excellence in your business. Right. I have worked from trainee officer to director of the company. So I have been across the profiles in my career of around 25 years now. So I understand the psychology. I understand the challenges the people are facing. I understand what is good practice. I understand what it takes to make you successful. Today, I am associated directly in the businesses. There are 5 businesses wherein I am directly involved. Along with that, I am also running this webinar and showing some contribution from my side towards the society to bring the real transformation in the business of the people. So once again, I welcome you and I congratulate you in advance for becoming another person from today, the person who is different from what you are right now.